In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact YouTube support. Let's start from the very beginning. On your computer or mobile browser, open Google. In the search bar at the top, type the words YouTube contact and press enter. This is the quickest way to get to YouTube's official contact and help options without having to remember any specific URLs. On the search results page, look for the first official YouTube result that includes the words contact us. It should clearly mention YouTube and usually appears right at the top of the results. Go ahead and click on that link. This will take you to YouTube's main contact and help information page. Once the page loads, you'll see that YouTube doesn't just give you one email address or phone number. Instead, they point you to different support options depending on what you need help with. The first thing they recommend is visiting the YouTube Help Center. This is a large collection of articles that cover common questions, like how to create an account, how to watch or upload videos, and how to manage or maintain your channel. If your issue is general or you're just unsure where to start, the Help Center is usually the best place to look first. You can use the search bar there to type in a few keywords about your problem. If you don't find a helpful answer in the Help Center, the next option is the Community Help Forum. This is where other users and sometimes product experts share solutions, tips, and experiences. It's useful for more specific issues or when you want to see how others have handled a similar problem. If you're running into something that looks like a technical glitch, YouTube also provides a current site issues page. This is where they list known bugs and problems they're already working on. It's worth checking so you don't spend time troubleshooting something that YouTube already knows about. You'll also see dedicated sections for different kinds of contact. There are links for media and press information, details about the YouTube Partner Program, and information about advertising on YouTube. For safety and policy concerns, there are options to report abuse, security issues, or legal copyright problems. For example, you can learn how to submit a copyright infringement notice or how to report inappropriate content by using the flag option under a video. Finally, on that same page, YouTube lists their physical mailing address and some additional resources for developers and content distribution, in case you need more specialized contact paths.